conscious of their brand perception and how now that's being indexed by AI, right? So, historically it was, what's our Glassdoor rating, or what are these reviews on Reddit, or, how do we get better sentiment across X, Y, and Z channel? And now what we're seeing, I think there was a 3,000% surge in searches through tools like Perplexity, OpenAI's ChatGPT, Claude, you name it, about what is it like to work at this company? Tell me everything I need to know about X, Y, and Z organization and employee culture. And these LLMs are now hitting all of these sites at once. Not only that, formulating narratives. Mm-hmm. So we've got a client who, the CEO is like, wait, before we launch this EVP, I want to know, how are we going to manage employer brand perception across the LLMs, right? Not just Glassdoor.